Learn how switching to ELGi portable electric compressors benefits your business and the environment.
All geared up for your first on-site action, Alex? We always choose portable electric compressors for a reason.
I've heard about them, but what makes them so special?
Portable electric compressors are quieter and easier to operate and maintain. They offer reliable performance with emission-free operation without the hassle of frequent maintenance. Additionally, we don't need to keep different sets of spares like we do for diesel engine-driven portable air compressors.
That makes a lot of sense, especially the part about no emissions and different set of spares. These are key goals of our organization too.
Yes, indeed. They're also much quieter, reducing noise pollution on site. And they're intrinsically safe, no sparking, no emissions, and no risks even in presence of gases, perfect for our mining operations.
That sounds ideal for our safety standards and efficiency.
Switching to a portable electric compressors means lower total costs of ownership as compared to diesel engine-driven packages, easier maintenance leading to a longer compressor life, and enhanced safety, especially in high-risk environments like mining. Make the switch to portable electric compressors today.